Hello, I have here a DJI Extension stick. This stick allows me to hold my camera out away from me and do videos. Or I can collapse it and set it on a tabletop with this little tripod here that screws into the bottom of it. It works pretty well for tabletop use. This head here will tilt over just like a regular tripod, like that, or it will tilt just like this, however I want it. This right here, I can unscrew it and it will tighten it down and it will attach my camera securely. It has a deal here for like a gimbal, if you want to put a gimbal on there, put your phone out here, you know. I don't know I'll ever use that part, but it is nice if I ever decide to. It has a foam grip and a strap here. You can put your hand through and hold it like this, and this will collapse, and I can also hold it down here if I want to. This is all metal except for the foam grip, of course, and I bought it off of Amazon, and then I also bought this, like I said, this tripod to go with it. It's a different brand of tripod than the DJI, and it's metal. And it's not as expensive as the DJI. It does the same thing the DJI tripod or tabletop tripod does, and it is a little cheaper. But I bought this to use with my Canon G7X, which I think I've done a video on that already by this time. And so I bought it to use with it, or I can use it with my GoPro if I should decide to. But it is nice, and I like it because it's handy and it's sturdy and all that. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching.